So come with me to a place afar where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like good night.
Hello everyone, I am Darshana and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and also welcome back to another day in my life. I'm here on the beach right now and I'm drying my hair. I washed them and I was so much in a hurry that I had to reach early because it takes around 1 hour 30 minutes to reach at the workspace. Today I have a kids workshop. If you guys don't know, I do this art events in Goa and it's called as Artsy Fest. If you
look at the water level, and this auntie was literally behind me to make the gradings. Oh my god.
So we do like events, like private events for special occasions like birthday, for anniversary. Suppose if you are on a vacation and want to do some vacation activities, so this is what we are providing, and we have a lot of activities that we are providing. The only trouble that I face is the traveling, because I have to invest like 3 hours a day in traveling, as it takes like 1 hour 30 minutes to go to the workspace and come, and then when I'm coming back to the home is also like 1 hour 30 minutes, so it comes approximately to like 3 hours, and that's the big task, and it's like the biggest problem of my life right now. I hope it gets reduced someday soon in the coming year. So I started like Artsy Fest like 3 years back in 2021. I'll put the information over here so you can just go through the website and go through my page, and if you're ever coming to Goa, you're welcome. So you can have a workshop with me or with my team. And today I decided to come early because I wanted to chill by the beach. That's why I'm here.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun.
And I also but I pray that I'll have my own studio soon, so I don't have to travel every day and get tired physically, mentally. I didn't had my breakfast, so I'm feeling a bit hungry, and I don't know where I can have something. I don't want to have like a very heavy food, but just a very light, like a dosa and a filter coffee. So let's go and find where I can get a filter coffee or something light. Yeah. You're from? Kerala. Nice. I had been to Kerala.
Which place?
This was the Shornur, little away from there.
Okay, what you were doing there?
We had just been there to travel, we had been to Coimbatore, and from there we there.
Passing by.
Yeah. Lovely. Nice. Now you can write.
It is raining at the beach. Yeah.
What happened by the beach?
It was raining so hard and there was a thunderstorm.
Yeah, you had been to the beach?
Yeah. Stop and making a heart.
Nice. You want to make a heart?
I want to make a heart.
You can also do that.
Anushke. Anushka.
This candle smells like a heaven, and I love this cute little bunny. I remember the days when I used to make jewelry out of resin. This was the same butterfly that I used to make using paper and resin. Look at this cute bottle. Oh my god, these are so gorgeous. Coming to stationery literally heals my childhood. I cannot explain. Look at this.